Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by force closing the YouTube app and freeing a little space. This clears transient memory that often causes crashes. Once done, check for an iOS update in Settings. Make sure you install it if available, because system fixes reduce app instability. You should also free at least 500 MB by closing background apps or removing a large photo or video. These steps remove immediate causes. Now you'll move into verifying app integrity and permissions. After the restart, delete the YouTube app and reinstall it. This replaces corrupted app files and clears the app cache. Next, reset network settings. This fixes flaky Wi-Fi or cellular handshakes that can crash streaming. Make sure YouTube has required permissions: camera, microphone, and background app refresh. Lack of permission can cause unexpected behavior. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily to rule out network interference. These actions resolve deeper app and connectivity issues. Finally, install any pending YouTube updates, reboot the iPhone, and test playback. Updates often include crash fixes. Disable VPNs, ad blockers, and content filters to test a clean network path. Many crashes happen when third-party filters block essential requests. If problems persist, reproduce the crash and note exact steps, timestamps, and device model so support can diagnose. One key tip: try a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data. If it works there, the issue is network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.